Listen, mortgage fees can change for a variety of reasons, including changes in interest rates, changes in the lender's policies, or changes in government regulations. I'm going to go over the specific examples and reasons of how mortgage fees can change and what's going on with mortgage changes today. But before we get into all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon, put in work Burke for the wealthbuilders.com and the co-owner of the Wealth Builders Solutions LLC. If you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, so here are some specific examples of how mortgage fees can change. All right, so let's get into number one, interest rates. When interest rates go up or down, it can affect the fees associated with the mortgage. For example, if interest rates increase, a lender may charge higher fees to offset the additional risk associated with lending the money. Number two, lender policies. Lenders may change their policies and fees for a variety of reasons, such as changes in the economy, changes in competition, or changes in the housing market. For example, a lender may increase their fees for certain types of mortgages if they are trying to limit their exposure to risk. Number three, mortgage regulations, or government regulations, I should say. Changes in government regulations can also impact mortgage fees. For example, new regulations may require lenders to conduct additional inspections or require borrowers to pay for additional insurance, which could increase the fees associated with the mortgage. It's important to keep in mind that mortgage fees can vary widely depending on the lender and the type of mortgage. When shopping for a mortgage, it's important to compare the fees and rates offered by different lenders to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Okay, so you definitely need to shop around. So now that we know why this happens, let's talk about the changing that's coming on May 1st for mortgage rates. Okay, as per US Today, starting May 1st, upfront fees for loans backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will be adjusted because of the changes in the loan level price adjustments. That's LLPAs. That's what they mean, loan level price adjustments. Now, the fees that vary from borrower to borrower based on their credit scores, down payments, types of homes, and more. The changes relate to credit scores and down payment sizes. In some cases, people with higher credit scores may end up paying more, while those with lower credit scores will pay less. For example, if you have a score of 659 and are borrowing 75% of the home's value, you'll pay a fee equal to 1.5% of the loan balance. Before these changes, you would have paid a 2.75% fee. On a hypothetical $300,000 loan, that's a difference of $3,750 in closing costs. On the other end, if you have a credit score of 740 or higher, you will have paid 0.25% fee on the loan for 75% of your home value before May 1st. After that date, you would pay 0.375%. This seems to be a penalty for people with good credit, and good credit buyers are paying for other folks' bad money decisions. Now, this might cause a downturn in the real estate market in the long run because buyers with good credit might not want to pay those extra fees and end up just renting. Only time will tell, right? So we'll see. Either way, you still need to have good credit, and I have solutions to help you do this and get on the right track with building your personal credit. All right, so check the link in the description. All right. It's creditsolutions.thewealthbuilders.com. Until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work Burke. Signing off for Mortgage fees are changing May 1st. Here is the lowdown. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.